Alright, how to remove a smart handle door lock. So we have these two screws here in the front. We're just going to loosen those up. There's the first one. It's pretty long. Alright, and the second one is right here. Maybe I'll try to get this one out first. Dun, 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 dun. These screws are super long. Take a little while to undo. If you had a electric screwdriver, definitely be quite a bit quicker. But I just have this one right now, so that's what we're working with. Hope that's okay. Okay, finally that one's done. And we just need a little bit more on this one here. And then you need to open up this end here. Should just slide off of there, right? But I do believe we have a cord in there, so we need to remove that first. And so we need to access back here with a little Allen key real quick. This one has a little Allen key in the back of the handle here. And we're just going to unscrew that one. Not an Allen key, but a screw that you can undo with your Allen key. Alright, and here we are. Just getting this one out here. A couple more turns, I think. Should give us, I guess I could have got maybe a shorter Allen key, would have been a little bit easier. But that's alright. Almost there. Almost there. Good golly. This is kind of man. Okay, finally. Okay, you got that off of there, and then what you want to do is there's this little plug in here, so that needs to be unplugged real quick. There we go. Then that's unplugged. Now we can pull the wire out. So that little plug there, and that's going to go through that. Make sure it goes through. Okay. Let me take that off. Pull that off of there. And then we can pull our door handle off this other side, just like that. That's super easy. And then we just remove this front part here. All right. There's that. And there's that. That's all you have to do, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.